I genuinely thought this was going to be one of those fake internet things, huge promises, free gifts everywhere, crazy coupon screenshots, and then when you try it yourself, nothing. But then something weird happened. The second I used the code on screen before browsing anything, the app suddenly started showing way better deals than I expected. I'm talking stacked coupon bundles, bonus discounts, extra reward offers, and the free gift section actually became active. And honestly, that's when I stopped thinking, okay, this is fake. Because before that, I was testing random codes from other videos, and most of them were terrible. Tiny savings, weak offers, almost no free gift progress. The app just felt normal. Then, this code changed the experience completely, and that's what made me suspicious in the opposite direction. Not, is this fake? More like, wait, why are the deals suddenly this much better? That's when I realized not all Temu codes work the same. Some barely activate anything, while others seem to trigger bigger discounts, stronger rewards, and better free gift offers almost immediately. And timing matters too, because when I activated the code early before shopping, the rewards felt way more aggressive than when I waited until checkout. That's the part most videos never explain properly. People think the code is just for discounts, but the code on screen actually changed the offers the app started pushing toward me. Now, let's keep this real. Does this guarantee insane free rewards instantly? No. Can offers still vary by account? Definitely. But compared to all the random working codes I tested before, this was the first one that actually made the app feel upgraded instead of normal. Better coupons, better rewards, better free gift progress, everything. Try activating the code on screen before browsing and tell me, did the app suddenly start showing stronger deals for you too, or was it still basic?